Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Option D is correct. The method run program P is an instance method of computer, so it must be called on a computer object, not on the class itself. It also requires one argument of type program. In choice D, C is a computer object and P is a program object, so C.run_P matches the method header exactly and compiles. Choice A is incorrect because run is called with no argument and is incorrectly treated as a class method. Choice B is incorrect because run is still incorrectly called using the class name computer instead of an object. Choice C is incorrect because run is not a method in the program class, so P.run does not compile. Choice E is incorrect because although P... Great job tracing through that code. Remember to track each variable carefully. Practice with Sovi to build your Java debugging skills.